Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is faithfulness. This is the third door to success. You have put faith without works are dead. You've been putting in the work. You put some bark behind that, some bite behind that bark. Walk behind that talk. But this card, this key to this new door, the third door to success is consistency. Consistency is key. Everything does not happen overnight. At times we need to qualify. We need to prove to the universe and let them know repeatedly every day, this is what I want. We change our minds so many times that the universe, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, doesn't know exactly what our spirit wants because sometimes we tiptoe between different wants and different needs. This or different creativity, different inventions. This is the consistency is key. You know what you've been working on. I want you to stay the course. I want you to keep on working, showing up every day, showing out, doing your best. And I guarantee this door shall open. Life shall become easier and your blessings will start raining in. You'll find your community. I commit to my mind, my heart, my will, your desire. And I'm devoted to the needs of my soul to succeed in the things that you had in your heart that you set out to do. Stay consistent. And I trust in myself, God, and in the universe that you will have your way. Please love one another. Please show kindness to one another. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.